to another installment of World Cooking here at Reflections en Route. Today we're going to be showing you how to make lablabi. Lablabi is a pretty simple dish. Chickpeas, crushed tomatoes, red pepper. Harissa is what you should use, but we can't find that here, so we use a sambal instead. Onions, cilantro. Yeah, let's get going. So we're going to start with adding about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm not necessarily a pro at onion chopping, but I can get the job done. Let's get these onions in the pan and get them sweating down. It's starting to look pretty good. We want to keep them from getting brown and just sweat them down. Our garlic.
Good knife skills.
Yeah. I keep it in water to keep it kind of fresh. For this one, it doesn't matter. You can use the stems and the leaves. So we're just going to do a quick chop on that.
Oh, I love the smell of cilantro.
We're going to add this garlic. We're going to add the cilantro. We're going to add some cumin powder. You should use seed, but we can't get seeds here in Japan, so we're using powder.
If you do use seed, you have to toast it.
No, you fry it in with it. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
And we'll use about a teaspoon of paprika, some chili flakes, crushed red pepper for some heat, and then we'll stir that in. Cook that down a little bit. Oh man, you can really smell that. We've cooked that for about another minute or two. Time to add the tomatoes. We're going to include the recipe for this with the exact measurements, but you know, this is a stew, so you kind of do it to your own taste. So the recipe that I'm following calls for a cup of crushed tomato. So I'm just going to estimate a cup, which is about half of a large can. We'll stir that in and we'll let that keep cooking for another couple minutes. So you can use canned chickpeas for this, garbanzo beans, whatever you want to call them. But really it's better if you use dried chickpeas and then prepare them the day before or 2 days before. So these soaked overnight and then I cooked them for about 2 hours just in water with a bay leaf and a little bit of salt added at the last 30 minutes to keep them from getting too hard. So we're going to add the chickpeas slowly, don't make too much of a mess. And we need to add a little more liquid to that. So we want about an inch of water covering them. So I'll add another 2 cups. So we've got everything going here. Stew's coming along nicely. It's going to have to cook down now for about 30 minutes. Today we've made vegetarian lablabi, but you could just as easily have used beef stock or a chicken stock instead of just water and the cooking liquid from the chickpeas. So I like to add a little bit of crouton to mine.
And so do most Tunisians.
Yeah, it's pretty typical in Tunisia. A little extra cilantro, some chili paste. I like mine pretty spicy. And a couple of black olives. Looks pretty hot, but let's go for a bite. Wow. I'll tell you what. The heat from that red chili paste and then mixed with the cumin and the cilantro is incredible. It really takes me back to Tunisia. That's it for today. World Cooking has brought you lablabi from Tunisia. Come back for more.